My hair has never been important to me at all. That's an honest thing. I think the people that I've told that I'm coming here are like, what? Doesn't seem like you at all. My name is Brad Dancer. I'm 53 years old. I'm the men's tennis coach at the University of Illinois. We're Champaign, about 2 hours away from here. This is my 20th year, just finished my 20th year at the University of Illinois. I've helped with Billie Jean King on Fed Cup staff and coached Delaware Smash of the World Team Tennis. So I've been really fortunate and lucky to be around some amazing people, and I just feel blessed because of that. Got to a situation where I think a few years ago, it's not looking, maybe how I remember it looking up there. One of the things that as I noticed the thinning, I kept going shorter and shorter and shorter. And so my kids joke, my wife will throw little barbs at me, anytime I'm teasing her about something about, you don't have any hair left anymore. There was a picture maybe, 7, 8 years ago where I think I was in a foam pit with my kids or something like that. And I'm like, who is it? I couldn't believe from the top of my head, and so that's kind of stuck with me. I saw some pictures professionally with me coaching and just didn't seem like, and certainly not how I feel inside. For me, as a coach, recruiting, you hate to say, image is important, but I think, again, you want to feel confident and strong and so forth. I think where I am in my life, I'm 53 and don't want to feel like I'm on the downhill path of my life and want to feel like I've got tons to accomplish in a multitude of professions, and just how we attack life, I think, for the next 40 years of my life. And so really, to me, that was a big part of it, is at this stage, 53 years old, do I want to be sitting here saying, let's taper down? And that's not the attitude I want to have. I want to be attacking life. And so that was a big part of the decision for me, I think. One of the former members of our team, Rajiv Ram, who's international star athlete. He's won Grand Slam tennis championships and Olympics and so forth. He had his hair done here at We Grow Indy, and I think he was really pleased with the results. And so I had a few conversations with Raj about that experience. He was satisfied with it, really pleased with how things went. And so I think for me, anytime you have someone where there's a connection and it's not just, I saw that guy on a billboard or wherever else, it makes a big difference. I'll probably grow it out a little bit longer. And other than that, I haven't combed my hair, I haven't brushed my hair in 30 years. And